What's up, everybody? This is Mia from Chairs in Paris, and happy Supertastic Tuesday. I hope your day is awesome. Anywho, I'm just doing a check-in, give some updates. I am working on not only, as you know, I do my DIY and I do different furniture and do different designs and stuff like that. But I'm excited because it is spring. Spring is near. And you know what that means when spring is near? More gardening, more growing, more outside stuff. So it's about to go down. Now, as you already know with my video, my intro video, if you check that out, my welcome video, I was saying I was going to get into urban gardening and everything. I'm just flat out doing urban homesteading. That's it. That's just it. So with urban, for those that don't know what urban homesteading is, hold on, this heater's on. I realized my heater was on, which you could probably hear that. Sorry, it gets a little chilly in here, so I had to warm it up. However, urban homesteading is pretty much when you are in the process of becoming self-sufficient, sustainable, and also living a simple life. So I love to DIY, I love to do all that, and I love to garden, and I was trying to find a way of putting it all together, and that's where urban homesteading come in. I love it because it's the process, and it's different for everybody. But for me, it's the process of not just doing traditional skills such as this, but also getting into gardening, getting into carpentry, getting into not only growing, but canning your food, learning how to cook healthier meals. So yeah, I'm about to dive into it. And minimalism, which I don't know if you can't tell in this background, severely needed. However, yeah, so the spring is near, and not only are we about to garden, but we are about to transform. Chairs in Paris is about to take it to another level, which is dope. But don't fret, that still means that, that does not mean that I'm going to stop doing the furniture and the interior design like I do. I'm still going to do it because I love to do it. Hence, I'm doing it right now. Anywho, wanted to give you that update. So with the spring happening, that means we're going to actually expand the garden a little more. I do have to give you that 2020 update of the tour, so look out for that. And also our fruit trees out there. So hopefully, I pray that we see some fruit on our fruit trees. So for those that don't know, I have a total of 4 fruit trees right now. I have 2 cherries, a peach, and a plum. I had some blackberries, but I had the thorn ones, which really hurt, and it made me really emotional. So I'm getting rid of those because they just weren't doing right. They weren't acting right. But we're going to add some more plants. We're going to add some more fruits and vegetables, and we're going to live a healthier life. So I'm excited. Why have I decided to go to urban homesteading? Well, the best way to say it is, it's a simple way of living, and it's to me, from what I've seen, it's a healthier way of living because you become more self-sufficient and sustainable, and you start learning the old ways of things, as our ancestors, our grandparents, or however you want to put it, they used to do things. And I want to go back to that. Not totally. I'm not that gangster just yet, but I do want to learn things like traditional skills and just learning to live, in the traditional ways. They made it. Why can I? My health means a lot to me. My peace means a lot to me. And making this decision, I believe, will help me be better. Therefore, help me be better for my family. Oh, also, one big thing is, I want to live on a farm one day. Yeah, I said it. I want to live on a farm one day. I want a small farm between 3 to 9 acres. That's just what I want. Hell, why not? So that's what I plan on doing. So stay tuned. Let me get back to this painting. It was getting intense. I'm just about done with this piece so I can post it. If you can tell, it's going to be gorgeous. Anywho, tune in and keep it super tasty.